Guys, today we have good things. Now we have going to review of micro budget Vollmilch or late interior or latte internal 2 liters, and this is ultra high temperature milk. And you can see the fact that this is quite low for the fat. There's only 3.5% of fat, and yeah, the nutrition score, you can see this is C, and not bad. It is still good things you can get from the Migros. And yeah, the price is quite good, only 2 Swiss francs. You can go 2 liters, and in the back you can see the same specifications and also the nutrition fact that you find for every 100 milliliters. If you have a concern something like to the nutrition facts, this will be very useful for you. And this is about the storage information, storage condition, and this is about the same information. I'm sure this is in French or in German. And then you can see the some certification information here for the distributor from Migros, and this is the size 2 liters. There is nothing information, just if you are seeing on the top, you can see the expiration date here. This is quite long, so as long as you place in the freezer, it will be okay. And this is a step. If you're going to open it, open this and this. How to close this again? Not so hard, but this should be useful. Okay, we are going to check how to open this. Yes, simply pull and you will find another mechanism to open, and if you are done, you can close it again and click, so it will be fully closed. Open again, pull and close again. So this is quite useful. Bye guys, I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you are going to buy this, don't hesitate to buy. This is good quality from Migros, and this is cheap for your daily needs. If you like this video, give a thumb up and share, or keep comment and like and subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoy. See you and goodbye. Have a good day.